minister.
Graag vir dit.
Hey!
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. You can see today is a very different video because I've got a twin. Do you guys notice? This is Vicky, she's my best friend, well, one of my best friends. And today we decided to do the turn my best friend into me challenge. I think she looks way prettier than me. Look at these lovely eyes.
We look good.
We do. Can you see we're wearing the same choker. Got a little pink in our hair, 2 braids, and then the makeup is also kind of like the same. So we hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Let's get started.
Yay!
So we were laughing because I almost forgot to press record. Actually, I did forget to press record. So luckily we got it here. And just to give you guys a little bit of heads up, we started with Optical Illusion primer from Urban Decay, and then the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation, because Vicky has got oily skin. So the Estee Double Wear Stay All Day is gonna make it look nice and matte. And now we are highlighting with the Catrice Camouflage Concealer. This concealer is amazing. I love it. I always use it to highlight underneath my eyes and basically my T-zone and chin. And yeah, I'm doing the same with Vicky. Next up, I'm going to be using a Chanel bronzer called Soleil Tan de Chanel. This product is phenomenal. Jacqueline Hill raved about it. I went out and bought it, and then I loved it. As you can see, blends out beautifully, gives this beautiful bronze contoured look. Another Chanel product which I cannot go without is my Natural Finish Loose Powder. Here I'm using it just to set Vicky's under eye area and then also set the whole face. I never go without bronzing and contouring a little bit with my powder products, and me and Vicky are both Kim Kardashian fans, so I use the KKW contour kit in light to just contour the cheekbones, sides of the nose, basically all the areas that you would usually do to create some shape within the face. And then I'm using the highlighter shade to add some shimmer and glow to the face. And then for blush, I'm using Fleur Power from MAC, which is just a lovely rosy pink. A lot of people always tell me that I'm known for my blinding highlight, and that is because I layer highlighters. So here I'm layering Anastasia Beverly Hills and Nicole Guerriero collab just to add that pop-in highlight. Vicky's eyes and brows are just gorgeous. They're so big and bold, which I absolutely love, and I don't really have that big eyes and bold brows, so I'm not doing much with the brows. I'm basically just filling it in with Benefit Cabral. To prep the eye, I'm going to use what I almost always use on myself. It's the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Original, or I would use Eden or Manison or any of those, but I really love the primer potions because it makes the eyeshadow stick and stay on the whole day. For the eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using the Carly by Val Deluxe palette. As you can see, Vicky's saying it's her favorite. We both love Carly by Val, so it's so fit for this makeup tutorial today. But y'all know I love a cut crease. Like, that's really one of my signature looks. So I'm doing the same with Vicky's eyes today, using the Carly by Val palette, cutting it with the same concealer I used to highlight. Obviously, I'm not going to focus on exactly what I'm doing because this is not really a tutorial. It's more like turning Vicky into me, sort of giving her the full candy cane experience look. But if you guys want to see a tutorial on how to do a cut crease, let me know in the comment section down below. There's also 1 or 2 on my channel, so yeah, girl. Now we need some black winged eyeliner, and for that I'm using the Inglot Black Gel Liner. Guys, this liner is phenomenal. It's a gel liner that dries waterproof, so it's a mission to get off, but you know, you can cry, you can go to the gym, that wing ain't going nowhere. I love this liner. While I'm waiting for the eyeliner to dry first before doing the wing, I'm going to go over the crease area with my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liner in Shaaanxo. And this is a really nice trick for if your crease is not perfect. You can kind of just cheat it and put some glitter line on there. Then we're gonna pop on some lashes like I always do, and we're gonna finish up the lips while we're waiting for the lashes to dry. For lips, I'm gonna be using the Freedom Pro Melt lip gloss. This one's in the shade Neutral, and I'm always wearing nudes like on a daily basis, and also when I do like darker eyes, so this is really fit for, you know, turning her into me. So once lash glue has dried and you can open your eyes, you can start by blending it in with mascara, and I use the Clinique Flatter to Full Lash Mascara. I've gone through like 4 tubes of this. It is that good because it's like a waterproof mascara. You can cry through it, you can rub it, you can do anything with it. It won't come off, but at night when you wash it, it comes off like little tubes. So I really love this mascara, and that's that.
So, Vicky, do you like your new look?
I think it's amazing.
She's gonna wear this every day now.
Every day. Slay!
So, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and yeah, thank you for meeting one of my best friends. Even I can I love you guys to bits. Until next time, you must stay sweet. Mag je met jullie zo mee?
Until next time, stay sweet.